Hello everyone, I'm Vrinda Sharma, your host from Idea Usher, the ultimate destination for all things creative and cutting edge. Today, I will be taking you on a brief walkthrough of a revolutionary dating app solution that we have meticulously crafted for our esteemed client. The platform is similar to apps such as Hinge and Bumble and is designed to transform the way people connect and build meaningful relationships. So, without further ado, let's dive into the exciting features of our innovative dating app solution. Now, I will be telling the users how to log in and sign up for the app. These are two different processes. So, after downloading the app from the App Store, when the users would open it on their mobile phones, this is the page that they would be able to view on their screens. When it comes to the login process, it is for the users who already have an account on the app. So the app gives them the option of logging in through their Facebook or Google account, or if in any case they do not wish to log in through any of these options, then they can just click on the login button, enter their email address and password, and they will get logged into the app. When it comes to the sign up process, it is for the users who do not have an account on the app and therefore wish to create a new profile. For that, they have to enter the details such as their name, their age, their mobile number, their email address, and other basic profile information like their height, weight, interests, their pictures, and after entering all the necessary details and following all the on screen instructions, they will get signed up for the app. Once the users are through with the login or the sign up process, this is the home page of the application that they would be able to view on their screens. After this, the application will ask users to enable location to provide better experience by helping them find new friends nearby. So for that, users have to click on share location. Then the application will ask users to enable push notifications so that it can send them personal news and updates. So they have to click on enable. And lastly, it would ask them to allow access to their camera to take photos. So users have to click on allow access. This is how a user's profile would look like on the application. It would carry all the necessary details which they had entered while setting up their profile, such as their name, their age, their location, their description about themselves, their basic profile details such as height, weight, relationship status, their interests, what they are looking for on the platform, and their pictures. Now that we are back on the home page, users, before embarking on the process of connecting with new people, they can also apply certain filters to that process by clicking on this filter button given at the top on the right hand side. Then they would be able to view this window in front of them. They can select whether they would like to look at the profiles of guys or girls or both. They can set their current location, the distance, the age range, and then click on the done button. On the home page, if the users would click on the nearby button next to the home button, the application will take them to the nearby section, which has four different segments: all user, spotlight, new, and nearby. If the users would click on the all users section, the application will show them the profiles of all the users on the platform. If the users would click on spotlight, the application will show them all the profiles in Spotlight. Similarly, if they would click on New, the application will show them the profiles of all the new users on the platform. And if they would go to the Nearby section, the application will show them all the profiles of the users near to their location. If the users would click on the star button next to the Nearby button, the application will take them to the favorites section. Here they need to click on this arrow next to all connections. Here they need to click on this arrow given next to all connections. Users can have a look at the profiles of other users which they had matched with, the visitors on their profile, the profiles which they had liked, as well as the profiles which they had super liked. If the users would click on the messages button next to the star button, the application will take them to the messages section. Here, they can access their ongoing chats with other users on the platform and interact with new users on the platform as well. Apart from all of this, if the users would click on the profile or the account button, which is given next to the message button, then the application will take them to this section. Here, the users can have a look at the number of people who visited their profile, the number of users who liked their profile, as well as the profiles of the users which they had matched with. Apart from this, there are other different sections which are a part of this segment as well, such as likes, visitors, groups, my wallet, VIP center, find friends, blacklist, and settings. Apart from this, users can also edit the information about their profile by clicking on this button given here. They can change the details about themselves as per their preferences. They can change the details about themselves as per their preferences. Apart from this, they can also add or change photos or videos of themselves and then click on the done button. In the same section, users can also visit the VIP center if they would click on it. Then the application will take them to this page. Here they can purchase the VIP subscription. This subscription provides access to a variety of exclusive features. They just need to click on the Get Started button. To complete the purchase, users just need to enter their payment details, ensuring a successful transaction for their chosen subscription. After successfully purchasing the subscription, this is how the page will appear. Users can access all of these features and they also have the option of renewing their subscription. There are other unique features to the application as well. Users can also find someone by tags, and they also have the option of rating the application as per this 5-star scale. Also, when a user's profile matches with another user, then the app's interface will present a scenario similar to this. And that's it. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Apart from this, if you are interested in developing a customized application, then our experienced team of app developers is ready to bring your vision to life and create a solution that sets your business apart in this rapidly evolving market. Connect with us through the contact details mentioned in the description below. And thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all next time.